Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year. Today I'll be showing you how to install Arduino on a Windows operating system. So let's begin. Now to install Arduino, you need to first download it. So for that, just simply go to your favorite browser and in the address bar, just simply type Arduino download, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this www.arduino.cc is basically our first search result. So just simply click on this software Arduino and it will going to redirect you to this official site of Arduino. So just simply accept these cookies and all, and here under this software tab you'll be getting this download. See, Arduino IDE 1.8.19 is available for download, and here under download options it is available for Windows 7 or newer version, and also if you are using some other operating system like Linux or Mac OS, then also you can easily download it from here. Since I am using Windows 11 operating system, I'll be just simply going to click on this Windows 7 and newer version. So just simply click on that, and it will going to redirect you to this support to the Arduino IDE page. If you wish, you can always donate to help them. I just now going to click on this just download, and it will going to start downloading our Arduino. Right. So since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it, and if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see that the latest version of Arduino, that is Arduino 1.8.19, has been rightly downloaded over here, and the file size is just 111 MB. To install, just simply double click on it, and it will going to ask you for administrative privileges. So for that, just simply click on yes, and this is our license agreement, so just simply agree it. And these are the files that they're going to be installed, so keep this as default, then just simply click on next. And this is going to be our installation destinations, that is the C program files Arduino. So they're going to create this Arduino folder, and you'll be requiring about 541 MB of free space in your C drive. If you want to change your destination folder, then you can always click on browse, and you can change your installation destination folder. Right. I'll be keeping this default, then just simply click on install, and it will going to start installing our Arduino. So this will take a couple of minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back right after installing our Arduino. Yeah. So we'll come back, and now it is asking whether you'd like to install this device software. So that is this Adafruit Industries, this LLC port. So I'm going to install this. So just simply click on install, so that it get installed. And also this Arduino USB driver is also very important, so do also click on install, so that Arduino driver is also get installed along with Arduino USB driver as well. So just simply click on install, and it will going to finish up our Arduino installation. See, it has rightly completed. So let us just minimize our download directory, and our Arduino setup has been rightly completed. Our desktop shortcut is also created over here. So just simply close it, and now to launch our Arduino, just simply double click on our desktop shortcut, and see, our Arduino has started launching. Now it is asking whether you like to check this Defender firewall, because it has blocked some of the features. I don't want it to block any of the features, so I'm going to check this private network, such as my home or my home work network. So I'd like to check this, and then just I want to simply give allow access, and it will going to allow all these features. See, our Arduino rightly opened over here. So now it's time to connect our Arduino with our laptop or desktop USB. So I am currently connecting that, and you will be hearing a sound, the system sound basically, once you connect it. And now let's open a simple Blink program. So just simply click on file, then just simply click on this examples, and here you can see that they have given lots of program. From here, from basics, I would like to simply click on this blink. So this is just a simple blink LED program. So what it will do is it will going to blink our LED by high, and then after waiting 1 second it will going to make it as low, right? So that's it basically. So after connecting your Arduino with this computer, so just simply click on this compile button, and it will going to compile our sketch. See, it has rightly started compiling and it has done compiling. Now just simply click on this upload icon, so our program get uploaded over here, and it is asking which serial port you'd like to choose. This COM3 is totally fine, so just simply click on OK, and it will going to start uploading our program. And see, it has done uploading and our program blinking has started. You can see our LED bulb in Arduino Uno has started blinking, right? Now again, coming back to our software, if we just simply click on tools, and here you can see that they have rightly recognized that I am using Arduino Uno. So see, they have lots of boards available like Arduino Nano, Arduino Uno, and several others. Like this Arduino Nano and Arduino Uno are the most popular one. So there are also other boards available like ESP8266 and several other boards. So all those boards also you can use from here. Your hardware actually need to be connected, and you will be simply getting it over here under this board, and under port you will be getting COM3. So you need to just simply check this that available port that you are having, right? And you can also click on this board info. It will going to show that what are the board info it actually have, right? So in this way you can easily install the latest version of Arduino, that is Arduino 1.8.19 on your Windows operating system. So that's basically all about this video. I have already shown you how to download Arduino, and then how to install and how to run a simple blink program on Arduino, right? So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and so please do share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.